Ayan guys, maglalaro kami ng animal guessing games. Ito, kakaririn namin to, kinakarir namin. Tingnan namin kung sino yung magaling. Kahit mga extinct na. Ako lagi nananalo. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam sa mga to.
Kasi nagre-research siya sa cellphone.
Okay, who's first?
Pause!
Oh, you first, Dad.
Me?
What letter?
Starts with letter T.
Tiger.
Termite. Tarantula.
You're next. Tiger.
Ang galing. Madali.
Dali-dali naman nun
Okay,
eh.
your turn, Kuya.
Your turn.
F.
Habang traffic.
F.
Starts
Flying
with letter
squirrel.
No.
Flamingo.
No.
Ano
No.
yun yung dinosaur?
No.
Fig.
A few moments later.
Clue.
Huh?
Clue.
Blue.
It's an animal.
Waki.
Siyempre, animal yun.
Di ba hindi marunong magbigay ng clue?
It has 4 legs and live in land.
Is it 2 words?
No.
F.
F.
Another clue.
No. You have to guess muna. One.
Waki na ako nga, galante ako magbigay ng clue kahit hindi mo ni...
2 in a row. Clue?
Sunod-sunod nga ako magbigay ng clue kahit hindi nyo...
No. Okay.
tinatanong.
Clue now, because Daddy said. It has 2 wings. It can be red sometimes and.
Ano ba clue yan? Hindi mo alam.
What's that called again?
Dadaya na naman kasi. Flying bird.
Yes. Joke. I'll just reveal it.
Ay, hindi ka naman nagbibigay ng clue. Paano?
I just gave one like minutes ago.
Ay, naku, ako din magdadamot na sa clue, ha? Sunod-sunod magbigay ng clue. Ikaw.
Kasi I
Daya.
don't know what to say.
Oh, reveal.
Oh, reveal.
Kasi,
Ay, yeah, fox. We forgot it. My clue is...
Clue! Wala ka pang animal!
S.
yes. Snake.
No?
Squirrel.
No?
Swan.
No?
Swale.
No?
Snail.
No?
Slug.
No?
Skunk. Hoy, merong skink. Parang lizard yun.
Yeah. Yun yung binahula mo sa amin last time.
That's your research.
Mahuli tayo,
Go,
nag-google tayo.
guess.
Magbigay ka ng clue.
Lives on water.
Shark.
No?
Serpent. Ano ba yun?
No?
Sharky.
No. The male is the one giving birth.
Seahorse.
Yes. O, di ba? Kahit di kayo nagre-request
Napakadali naman. Wala na bang hihirap pa
kasi
dyan?
magaling ako magbigay ng clue.
Why are the males the one giving birth?
Ay, ganun
Oo
pa.
naman.
My turn?
My turn.
Daddy's turn.
Starts with letter Q.
Yan, kalukuhan na naman. Tumatawa ka. Whale.
No.
Clue.
Papasaba ang mga sagot nyo sa
Clue.
utak ko.
Clue.
Dalawa pa.
So, it's a kind of bird kasi dalawa pa.
Yeah.
It's
Hindi
a
siya quail.
Nope.
ostrich.
Pato.
Ay, hindi namin alam yan. Malamang ni-research mo yan kanina.
Reveal?
Reveal.
Sabi mo.
Reveal.
Ah.
Sure kayo? Reveal. Quack.
Puro ang kalukuhan. Daya.
It's a duck.
Baliw. Cheater.
Cheater.
My turn?
Okay. Your
C.
turn. C. Wala ka ng ano to ako lang ang nagagano na, hindi ka kasali
Puro kalukuhan. Ayoko na pag puro kalukuhan.
Hindi
May
nga
penalty.
kalokohan yun. It's
Oh,
an
sige na.
animal.
See.
With
Chameleon.
No.
Camel.
No.
Carabao.
No.
Kookaburra.
No.
Kakatu.
No.
Parang ganun parang alam naman yun.
Clue,
Cow.
it has spots and 4 feet.
Bikaw.
No. Another clue,
Yeah.
it runs fast.
Uy.
Cheetah.
Uy.
My God. Hindi na nahulaan. Magulo na agad. Bigla nag-focus sa driving.
Ayan guys, pagka may mga pinipick up kami, sinesend lang yung ano,
We're
yung,
going to see the show.
yung address,
We're going to see the
location sa WhatsApp yan para madali.
We're going to see the show.
Now we'll
You want to see the siopaw?
chocolate from
you?
Japan.
You want to see the siopaw? Oh, look at the mirror. You will see the siopaw.
I was gonna say that. I was gonna say that.
What are you gonna pick up here, Dad?
I don't know.
Chocolate from Japan.
Chocolate
My
from
favorite.
Japan.
Coffee.
Give me-
Sabaw.
Where are we going
Can
after
I
this
eat
one, ma'am?
you, Margaret?
Will you eat
Boom
dinner?
boom.
No thanks.
Sa Thai restaurant. For the Siopaw.
Thai restaurant
Our
for
favorite.
Salapao! Yay!
Oh no.
Saka merong ano doon, Margaret?
Fishy fish fish.
The chocolate.
Wait, may pa-free siyang maliit. I can see something. Small banana.
Can I
It's
see?
good.
Can I see knife? Can you put a knife? Can I see?
Ah, may pa-free pa. Rabbit. White rabbit.
I will not eat rabbit. I do not
Hoy.
like rabbit.
Nung bata kami, masarap
Thank
to
you.
kasi may balot siya. Edible yung balot niya. Aray ko.
Show me, show me.
Yeah,
Show me.
tapos mahal to nung bata kami.
Show me, please.
Wait, i-disinfect muna ang ano.
It's mine.
Oo, kuya. Wow, daming pa freebies.
Edible ang wrapper?
Yeah, edible yung wrapper niyan. We
This
love
one?
it. The white wrapper. This one, no, the white.
Nay, why does it not taste good?
This one, the white one. It's edible. Oh.
Edible yan. You can eat it.
This one, I can eat.
Ang daming pa freebies. Buti naman.
This one, Nay, I can eat that one.
Mom, can I eat it? Mom, can I eat it?
I'll give you that.
Which one?
I'll open na.
Yung white rabbit?
White rabbit.
Mom, I don't need this.
Guys,
Ano,
white
Tay?
rabbit. Siguro huli pa ako nakatikim nito mga ano, mga elementary pa siguro
Ay,
from
oo,
Japan.
Ako din, no?
Long time ago.
Sana Dr.
Betty.
Martin lang nakakabili nito eh.
Yes, mahal pa.
Parang malabang na siya ngayon.
Para sa inyong kalaman, mga batang di nakaabot, itong white rabbit, may nakarapto na kulay puti pero edible, nakakain. Kaya
Parang matabang na siya ngayon.
pagtanggal, syempre nung bata ka, feeling
Like
mo ang tamis niya.
pastillas. Like pastillas.
Pero guys, matigas. Dapat to malambot lang eh.
Open your left window.
Why?
Or say hello.
Sabi ng anak ko, buksan ko daw yung window, sabihin ko hello.
Hello!
Hey.
Hello!
Ayun sa dalaw to strike.
And guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung kakainan namin, Thai restaurant. Isa sa mga paborito din namin to. Madalas din kami kumain dito sa Thai restaurant. Pakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano yung mga pagkain. Alright. Yeah, good. Yeah, finish. This is my friend. He knows already. Thank you, bro. They are open. Eteras, please enter and show. Pasok tayo, guys. Ayun na sila. Hi, guys.
Margaret. Dito ka, dito ka. Nilalaro mo yan.
Yan ang order namin, guys.
Ta-da!
Dumplings.
Mom, can I eat the chocolate now?
Siopaw.
That's for you, Kuya. Where's the other one? Oh, it's with Margaret already.
What's this, ma'am? Yellow.
Yellow shrimp noodle soup.
And then fried vegetable.
Mom, what is like?
This is so yum yum. The noodle is so chewy.
Another dumplings for Kuya. Ganyan.
Nabitin si Kuya.
Ganyan. Nabitin si Pogi.
The Terminator.
Yan, guys. Hindi na kaya eh. Ako lang kumain. Ito,
Sa bahay pa niya i-continue
bahay.
daw.
Take out ni Joaquin. Bahay daw, pero yan, miss na. Lusog. Bye na kayo.
Bye!
Bye! See you next time!
Meron
We
ka
are the Lasso Family! Wala guys, yung nangyari sa amin kagabi pagkatapos ko ng duty. Nagbihis lang, tapos dumiretso kami kumain sa labas ng mga anak ko at ng misis ko. And then kumain kami sa paborito naming restaurant, yung Thai Snack Restaurant. Kung gusto nyo mapunta ron, try kong ilagay yung link sa description, yung kanyang maps o location para at least pwede nyo i-click yun at maklocate nyo yung lugar. Hanggang sa susunod na lang guys, sana magustuhan nyo ang aking video. Huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang videos. Bye bye!